Hey friends, I'm Chris Schufa with Chris in the Classroom, and today I'm going to show you how to make a new friend. Here's a simple guide to help anyone make a new friend. It doesn't matter if you see a new person and you want to meet them, or if you're the new person and you just want to make some new friends. So here we go. Let's have some fun. Number 1, put your phone away. It's hard to talk to someone if you're looking down at your phone. If you're on your phone, you can't see them. You can't see their face, their eyes. You can't make that connection. Not to mention, it's almost like saying, "You're not interesting enough for me." If you're the one trying to make a new friend, why would you do that? Plus, you might end up doing something silly like walking into a wall. Number 2, here's the hardest one. It's also the most important. You might want to take some notes. Drum roll, please. Say hi. Sometimes people will walk up and introduce themselves to you. Sometimes you have to be the one to do it. But it's as simple as that. Just say hi. Number 3, ask questions and listen. People like talking about themselves. It's a fact. But someone who spends the whole time talking about themselves looks selfish, and it's kind of annoying. So ask them questions and listen to what they have to say. Trust me, it's the friendly thing to do.
Hey man, what's your favorite Starbucks drink?
You know, I love the venti iced tea. When you get the
dude, I love the caramel macchiato, especially when it has like almond milk in it.
Because I can't do dairy. Dairy just tears me up
Yeah.
inside.
I'm also gluten-free, because gluten, man, that just tears you. You should go gluten-free, like Whole30 or like keto.
I'm good.
Man, yeah, I tell you what, gluten-free pizza, it's really not that bad. Cauliflower crust, yeah, it's so good. And like dairy-free cheese, hey, what are you doing?
The more you get to know them, the more they get to know you. Find out what they like to do. Find out their hobbies. What kind of music do they like to listen to? Find out what you have in common. Chances are they know more people with similar interests. That means more friends.
Hey, you're in my third period class, right?
Yeah, totally.
Advanced scrapbooking.
That's the one.
I love that class.
That's cool, man.
Yeah. Hey, I have that same shirt at home.
Seriously?
Yeah. Twinsies.
Number 4, smile, but not like in a weird, creepy way. Just be happy. No one wants to be around someone who looks angry all the time. Plus, psychology teaches us that we tend to mirror other people's body language. Give a smile, get a smile. It's called reciprocity. It means people treat you the same way you treat them. So smile and show yourself as friendly. It'll make others want to be around you. And number 5, be patient. It takes time. Don't rush things. Sit back and watch people, but not like creepy stalker in the bushes kind of way.
I see you. Oh my gosh, it is so creepy.
Make sure they're the kind of person you want to be around. You obviously want to stay away from people who are doing the wrong things. Look for people who seem to stay out of trouble and for people you might have things in common with. So let's put this into action. How many friends can you make today? Give it a shot.